news are tonight is one and only Anupam Kher, जो हमेशा कहते हैं कुछ भी हो सकता है, and that's what I always feel. You know, that phrase comes alive when I see you on screen, when I speak with you, Anupam Kher. कुछ भी हो सकता है. अनुपम खेर की तस्वीर नोटों पर भी आ सकती है. अनुपम खेर लिंक्डइन पर अपना सीवी भी डाल सकते हैं. What's going on, Anupam Kher? How come your picture now appears on 500 rupee notes? माला माल है आप तो.
मैं अगर मुझे मिल जाए उनमें से 2 नोट भी ना, for my personal collection, I'll be very happy. In fact, I wanted to request the police department in Gujarat to sort of give me 2 notes because it became such a viral news. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं उसका. I think because वो भी गांधी जी के बर्थडे से 2 दिन पहले मैं उठा तो ऐसा ढेर लगा हुआ था उस सारी न्यूज का. मैंने एक फिल्म की थी स्पेशल 26
सीबीआई,
उसमें हाँ सीबीआई, वो नकली सीबीआई वाले हम बने थे. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म, बट दीज 2 पीपल हैव डन so. Of course it's not a great thing to have happened that my face was on the thing, but somehow there are cheap thrills about it, to be very honest. कि और क्योंकि चोर पकड़े नहीं गए हैं तो इसलिए और इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया है. पकड़े जाने चाहिए, जिसका नुकसान हुआ उसका तो भर जाना चाहिए. बट आई थिंक it was amusing, to be very honest. That's why I think people smiled. It made them smile.
Maybe somebody was suggesting that you should play Gandhi in your next role, and maybe after Ben Kingsley's Gandhi, there should be a new Gandhi interpretation with Anupam Kher.
You never know, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ ऐसा है?
नहीं, अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट कुछ भी हो सकता है, जैसा आपने खुद ही कहा. और जहां तक वो लिंक्डइन पर अपना प्रोफाइल डालने का था, दैट वाज बिकॉज आई कीप ट्राइंग टू सॉर्ट ऑफ रीइन्वेंट माई सेल्फ. I keep trying to do things where Navika will be forced to sort of do a Times Now interview with me and start my interview with this question. तो वो करवाने के लिए बहुत कुछ नया करना पड़ता है. You have to keep doing. But jokes apart, I think it's important to evaluate yourself and still feel an underachiever to achieve more. Otherwise, people sort of start calling you, as I said earlier to you also, thespian, legend and veteran, etc. And you start actually believing them. And then you say, मैंने तो इतना कुछ कर लिया, अभी और क्या करना है? But my mind and my body says that there is so much to do. And because I think I don't have a fear of failure, I keep experimenting. So that CV does not have my achievements. It still calls me a struggling actor. And it was fun to make that after 40 years and 542 films.
Fantastic. 40 years, 542 films. And even today, have you read the reviews of your latest film, The Signature? You know, and does it give you butterflies in your stomach when a new film is releasing? What will the critics say? How will it be perceived? वो butterflies आज तक होते हैं?
Yes. Especially films where I have given a lot of myself to the film. Signature was one such film, one such film, which is just premiered today on Z5. As you by now, I was very thrilled with the reviews because when your name is in a review in the headline, that means you really, let's face it, we perform so that the audience likes it and also the critics like it. I'll be being fake when I say, oh, critics ka important nahi hota hai. No, I think we quietly do go to every site and read our name in the reviews, especially for films that matter. I was very thrilled with the reviews that have appeared, especially one review which really made me very thrilled, where it said that we should feel lucky to have been born in the times of Anupam Kher.
True. And that really is a huge compliment, almost an ode to Anupam Kher and his skills as an actor. From Saransh, coming in to play Signature now. And somewhere I read that you've drawn a lot from your own life experiences, especially since this film is about, health, the trials and the tribulations. Tell us a little more about the film.
So the film is about a husband whose wife, just before going to a tour to Europe after collecting all the gratuity and provident fund, they decide finally let's spend some time abroad. And she falls and she has a brain hemorrhage and she's in coma and she's under ventilators and life support. And he has to sign a DNR, do not resuscitate, means if the patient, if I sign that, if I put my signature, they can remove the life support. Now, it's a tough situation. And I think after COVID, after everybody who's in this world has gone through some experience or the other, if not personally, through parents, through brothers, sisters, relatives, friends, some known people, through this situation of hospital. And that's why I think people identify, including the critics, because at the end of it, critics are also human beings. They are somebody's son, daughter, father, mother, etc. And then when my mom was in hospital with COVID, she first time looked at me when she was being taken to the 8th floor in Kokilaban Hospital and to be put under that isolated ward. She first time looked at me, she thought, my son can do anything. She usually thinks, and then she looked at me helpless and I could do anything. And then they make you sign paper. Then Kiran in between fell sick. My brother had been sick, but it was more after post-pandemic we did that film. So there was so much to draw and there is so much to, even when we were shooting for the film in Lucknow, we were shooting in a real hospital. So I will meet a lot of patients, I will meet a lot of relatives of the patients who are going through that situation. And as an actor, you put yourself in a situation of the character that you are portraying. And God forbid, the actors are very strange people. They go through a lot of research, emotional research, where they put themselves in a situation like that. And I realized that if somebody has to go through a situation like that, where your dear one's life is in that signature of yours, what will you do? So when you as Navika will watch this film, or all the viewers who are watching this interview will watch the film, they will say, if God forbid they were in a situation and somebody close to them who they loved, and their signature was important to decide whether they should live longer in that state or not, what will you do? So
very so intense, intensely emotional, discovery of those raw chords in your heart. Clearly, the storyline says. And Anupam Kher, I want to ask you, as a craftsman, the craft of acting. Do you have to rely on life itself to give you some of these emotions coming up, or can actors do it on their own? Because कभी-कभी वो कहते हैं ना कि जिसका दिल नहीं टूटा हुआ हो वो गजल क्या लिखेगा, वो कविता क्या लिखेगा, वो शेर क्या लिखेगा. तो क्या do you have to go through this personal turmoil like you mentioned at the time when Kiran was fighting and battling her cancer? Did that play a lot on your mind when you were portraying this character, Arvind?
So without wanting to sound like an acting teacher, which I am, I just want to say there are 3 resources that that actors have. One is observation, one is imagination, and one is emotional memory. One draws from either of the 3 things. One has what one has observed, and one can imagine, and one that you have as an emotional memory. In this role, and in some of the roles that I did, you base yourself on either of the 3 emotions. When I did Saransh, I was a 28-year-old boy who played a 65-year. I was not married, I didn't have a child, yet I had to portray a man whose son is lost his life in America. So I think it's a mixture of all those things. It's also how difficult you make your job as an actor. I have a great competition with my own self. I'm very competitive with myself. I don't think that any emotion that I have portraying, especially if the film offers you a possibility, then I will go to any length to get that. But not necessarily any किसी का दिल टूटा वो कहानी लिख सकता है या पोएट्री लिख सकता है, नहीं. हर इंसान का कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी का दिल टूटा है, और हर इंसान जो पोएट है जरूरी नहीं उसका दिल टूटा है. So it's a strange mixture of craft and what you have felt. You may feel anything, but if you are not able to portray that on screen, then there is no point in feeling anything. हमारी क्लास में एक टीचर था, स्टूडेंट था, वो ड्रामा स्कूल में, नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा दिल्ली में, उससे बोलते थे कि हमारे टीचर कि भाई आपकी 10 लाख रुपए की लॉटरी लगी है तो आप करके दिखाओ. तो कहता था मेरी 10 लाख रुपए की लॉटरी लगी है. अब फिर वो कहते थे अब आपकी मदर की डेथ हो गई, इमेजिन करो, इमोशन करके दिखाओ. बोलता था मेरी मदर की डेथ हो गई है. तो मेरे टीचर उनको कहते थे भाई तुम ये क्या दोनों इमोशंस कंट्रास्टिंग में. कहता सर यहाँ तो हो रहा है, यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है.
True.
So it is not necessarily to feel it. I don't necessarily believe in method acting. As long as you are able to portray, and that can come with experience. That has a lot to do with lived quality as a person. I live my life on a daily basis. I feel my emotion on a daily basis. I am not a shy person who sort of pretends to put on this mask of a brave man. I'm okay to be vulnerable. I am okay to be not so strong. I am okay to cry while watching a film or while watching a man on the street or a person on the street. I don't feel shy from I don't shy away from crying. I can cry easily looking at people. So I think I'm alive as a person, and I have done enough work the background of this drama school student that I am now able to portray a character with mixing the craft and what I'm feeling. Also, I'm at a stage of my life where I don't think I'm in a hurry to impress anybody. I'm doing it for myself also. So that is a great phase to be in.
ये तो आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं, ये तो आप कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हैं. आपने कहा आप देखते हैं क्रिटिक्स ने कैसे समझा और ऑडियंस ने कैसे.
नो, जब मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा होता हूँ मैं तब उस समय नहीं सोच रहा होता कि अब मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो लोग ऐसा सोचेंगे. उस समय उस इमोशन को जीना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड येट आई हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि आंसू इतने ही निकलने चाहिए, इस सीन में पूरी तरह से आंसू नहीं बहने चाहिए, आंसू मंडराने चाहिए आंखों में. वो करने के लिए काफी क्राफ्ट और काफी टैलेंट की जरूरत है.
ग्लिसरीन की जरूरत पड़ती है या
मैंने इस फिल्म में बिल्कुल ग्लिसरीन इस्तेमाल नहीं की. नॉट दैट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग टू डू. कभी कभी फिल्म में ग्लिसरीन के आंसू ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, बट जरूरत नहीं पड़ी इसमें. जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. मैंने सेम कपड़े 10-12 दिन तक पहने, मैं नहाता था और वही कपड़े पहनता था. मैंने अपनी दाढ़ी एक्चुअल बढ़ा ली थी. So
you lived the role.
I would like to say that, yes.
And even during COVID, we spoke a lot during that time, especially because this online interviews were the only way that we were in touch with the world, and we could bring people like you to the world who were locked up. You yourself did a lot of work during COVID. You wrote a book, you were talking to people whenever you could, public communication through, platforms like the Times Now platform. कोविड ने आपको कहीं ना कहीं बदल दिया है, क्योंकि जिंदगी ने एक नया सा अजीब सा एक दौर दिखाया. You've even lost your friend Satish Kaushik last year, and one has followed those emotions as well. ये अनुपम खेर हर ऐसे एक सदमे के बाद कुछ बदलता है, कुछ अंदर चेंज होता है.
Of course, बहुत कुछ बदला. कोविड के बाद बहुत कुछ बदला है. एक तो अपने फ्रेजाइल होने का, अपने ना होने का एहसास हुआ कि पूरी दुनिया, हमने कभी सोचा थोड़ा दुनिया पूरी स्टैंड स्टिल पे आ जाएगी. बॉम्बे में उतरूंगा, मैं न्यूयॉर्क से आऊंगा और पूरा बॉम्बे खाली होगा, कभी नहीं सोचा था. और एक छोटे से वायरस ने इंसान को असहाय, हेल्पलेस कर दिया. इसके बावजूद भी अगर चेंज ना हो तो इंसान ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. हर दिन के जीने का यू गॉट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इट. that every moment is important. I became more connected to people. Suddenly people became important to you. Suddenly it was important to communicate because there was no communication. You were हम ये ऐसी कॉल से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे थे. My foundation did lot of work. इतने बड़े हादसे के अगर आप के बाद अगर आपके अंदर बदलाव ना आए तो फिर आप इंसान कहलाने के योग्य नहीं है. मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि हर दिन के एहसास का इनका ऐसा कुछ नहीं. किसी बहुत लोगों को खोया. मेरी एक और दोस्त थी सुजाता चक्रवर्ती. वो शी वॉज इन द हॉस्पिटल एंड आईसीयू में थी और उसने मरने से कुछ 25 मिनट पहले मुझसे फेस टाइम कर लिया. मैं दंग रह गया. इट वॉज हॉरिबल. शी हैज अ सन. जो मेरा बड़ा अच्छा दोस्त है आदि, ऑटिस्टिक है. अनुपम, आदि का ख्याल रखना, मैं मर रही हूं. तो जब ये आप इस तरह के हादसे को फेस करते हैं तो इट इज तब आप कैसे जिंदा नहीं रह सकते और कैसे आपको इस बात का एहसास नहीं होता. मुझे एक चीज और लग रही है कि कोविड के बाद वक्त बहुत जल्दी गुजर रहा है. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा मुझे लगता है. आई डोंट नो आपको लगता है कि नहीं. मुझे लगता है कि अभी तो जनवरी था, अभी अक्टूबर आ गया. सो ये भी एक एहसास होता है. फिर मुझे लगता है कि हर चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है. माँ से मैं ये पिक दिस फिल्म द सिग्नेचर ऑल्सो डील्स विद how elderly people are so important in our lives and how we don't really take care of them.
True.
बहुत उसका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डायलॉग है कि क्या हम बूढ़े हो गए हैं तो क्या मतलब बूढ़े हो गए हैं तो हमारा कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है, क्या हम इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं रहे हैं. मुझे उन बातों का एहसास हुआ है. मैं आई हैव स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग मोर टू पीपल. आई कॉल अप रैंडम पीपल every day. It's very funny I'm sharing it with you. On my phone book, I take my phone and then I go like this, not on the name list जिस पे होता है contact list पे, and फिर मैं आंख बंद करके ऐसे डालता हूँ जिसका नाम आता है उसको फोन करता हूँ.
Lucky dip.
Lucky dip. So well, it's because वरना 300, 400, 500, 1000 फोन नंबर होते हैं, कैसे के पैसे पड़े रह जाते हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जैसे सतीश कौशिक का इंस्टाग्राम अभी भी ओपन है. उनका जो एक्स है, जो पहले फॉर्मली ट्विटर था, वो अभी भी ओपन है. तो मैं उनके बारे में जब पोस्ट डालता हूं तो मैं उनको टैग करता हूं.
वाओ.
So how can you not do that? So things have changed after COVID.
Absolutely, things have changed. As far as Anupam Kher is concerned, he's only getting younger. His biceps and his gym pictures, keep us challenging ourselves. Or I'm sure your best is yet to come, even after all the rave reviews.
I can say that myself loudly.
Okay.
I have a very interesting film coming up, Vijay 69, where a man at the age of 69 decides to play triathlon, to participate in triathlon. We'll talk about that when it comes. But there is something very exciting happening.
Well,
all the time.
Fantastic.
Life is exciting, Navika. Life is so exciting.
Of course it is.
So
and I'm going to be more excited when you're going through your phone book and alphabet N shows up or alphabet
I call you up
alphabet T shows up and Times Now से आप मुझे याद कर लें. और बस we can have you chatting with the entire country and all your fans across the world. But as always, pleasure speaking with you, Anupam Kher. आपको देख के सचमुच लगता है कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. And positivity, the power of positivity is something I always take away from you. And thank you very much. आप जितने serious roles कर सकते हैं उतनी ही positivity छोड़ कर जाते हैं हर बार interaction के बाद. ये आपकी खूबी है. हमारे साथ जुड़े दर्शकों से बात की. And our viewers love you, Anupam Kher. All the very best with this film as well. And we are waiting for the next and the next and the next, because Anupam Kher will never be a veteran. He'll always be contemporary.
Thank you. That's such a wonderful thing to say. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, and thank you very much to our viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight.